3 simple rules to help you make a good first impression as an artist. Making a great first impression isn't always easy, but it's well worth attempting as much as you possibly can. To help you make it happen more often, here are 3 simple rules you should always follow. While they're not the only great advice on making a good first impression, they are the things that will have the biggest impact, whether you get them right or wrong. Get it right is obviously the best option. Rule number 1: dress to impress. Pay attention to what you're wearing. This may seem superficial, but that's what first impressions are all about. They are a first, quick judgment based on things like appearance. Overdress just a little if it's an important first meeting, like going to a meeting with a gallerist for the first time. At least make sure that what you're wearing represents who you are as an artist. Don't go too crazy, and when in doubt, go for something somewhat conservative. You can always let your personality shine after you've made that great first impression. Rule number 2: be on time. Another very important thing to remember is to always be on time. It makes you look prepared and reliable. But there's another important reason for this. The world is made up of 2 types of people. The first group is a stickler for time. Being late is one of their biggest pet peeves. The other group has a more loose interpretation of being on time and doesn't mind waiting for someone for a few minutes or being late themselves. The problem is that you never know what camp the person you're about to meet will fall into ahead of time. So be prepared and make sure you get there on time or even a little early. It'll look good no matter how the person you're meeting will feel about time, and it will definitely keep you from making a bad impression with a time stickler. Rule number 3: think before you speak. Last but not least, think before you speak. It's easy to get nervous and just prattle on about everything and anything. It makes you look nervous and silly. Even worse, if you don't think before you talk, it's very easy to put your foot in your mouth. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times. It's not a good feeling, and definitely a quick and easy way to ruin that first impression.